Hello little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. Are you always eager to know how the things work? Always excited to make useful objects and instruments all by yourself? Did you know that you could make your own liquid thermometer all by yourself at home? Do you know that with a liquid thermometer, you'll be able to tell the hottest and coolest places at your home? Your homemade thermometer will be able to do all this for you and many more things. In this video, let us learn how to make homemade thermometer and how it works. From your IntelliSmart box, take out the heat and radiation activity kit. From the kit, take out the acetone bottle, test tube, dropper, straw, foam pieces and modeling clay. You will also need a marker or a sketch pen from your home. Insert the straw into the foam piece like this. This foam piece will act as a lid in this activity. Now, fill half of the test tube with acetone like this. Now insert the straw and foam piece assembly into the test tube like this. Adjust the straw so that its end is immersed in the liquid but does not touch the bottom of the test tube. Now, take the dropper and fill it with acetone from the bottle like this. Now pour the acetone solution into the straw by pressing the bulb of the dropper like this, so that a column of liquid can build up in the straw. If the column of the liquid is not formed in the straw, then you need to secure this part with clay. Like this. Now you can see that the column of liquid is built in the straw. Like this. Mark the stable level of liquid with the help of a sketch pen or a marker. Like this and like this. This level indicates the room temperature. Now, take this setup in the sunlight and let the sunlight fall on the test tube. Leave the setup in the sunlight for the next 10 minutes and observe the level again. Make sure that you place the test tube in an upright position. After keeping the setup in sunlight for around 10 to 15 minutes, we will see that the level of liquid has increased from the room temperature mark. Isn't this amazing? Now you can make your own home thermometer. Now, when we bring the setup to the room temperature, the level of the liquid will fall again. When the temperature of the liquid in the test tube increased, it expanded and rose in the narrow test tube. When the liquid cooled down, it contracted, allowing the liquid in the test tube to fall down to a lower level. Therefore, the higher level of liquid in the test tube indicates a higher temperature and the lower level of liquid in the test tube indicates a lower temperature. Most of the substances expand and contract as their temperature changes. The radiation of the sunlight, the high temperature object, transfers its heat radiation to the objects at lower temperature. This is called heat transfer. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.